Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the S23 Ultra for night mode. Make sure the phone is updated and steady. Once done, open camera, swipe to more, and select night. You want pro-level control, so switch to 1x or 3x depending on scene. The sensor uses longer exposure to gather light. While you frame the shot, hold steady or use a tripod. Motion blurs long exposures. Make small exposure adjustments now so you avoid blowing highlights later. You now refine exposure and focus for night mode. Tap the area you want sharp, then drag the exposure slider to balance shadows and highlights. This controls the sensor's longer capture. Once done, choose shutter length, keep 0. 5 to 3 seconds for handheld and extend much longer on a tripod. Make sure to enable RAW if you plan to edit. RAW preserves detail and reduces noise. Remember why? These steps maximize. You finish by capturing and verifying the image. Press the shutter and hold still until the progress indicator ends, or set a 2-3 second timer to eliminate touch movement. Once you see the preview, inspect shadows and highlights. If highlights are blown, reduce exposure and retake. If image is noisy, make sure you used longer exposure with lower ISO, or switch to Pro mode to manually lower ISO. If problems persist, clean the lens and retry. Smudges amplify low-light artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.